Jam, K-Opinion Leader from Millen, and Aurora Kid from BAOT. I want to show you how I made a new case. Come on. So, we have these all options. We can see and select like shade 1, shade 2, shade 3, shade 4, and we have a lot of effects like these ones, then white, chocolate, milk white, from white, light carrot, coffee, tan, dark khaki, tea rose, light lavender shell, and look, we have these tables, these color guides, so we can see the colors, and we have two brushes. We have this Aurora number 2, and we have this 0 Aurora for glazes and stains, and we have the liquids here. We have the formative liquid for glaze and stains, yeah, and we have this formative liquid for structure. The structures is this four that you can see here, right? To use this first, this is the number 2 Aurora glaze stain from BAOT. So we are going to make the staining with this. Okay. The first step is we are going to use this formative liquid right now, because we have to put it in the surface. So the first step is like doing something like this on all the surface. Using this, we can see the texture that we have on our beads. Okay, look, you can see. Okay. Now, I'm going to use shade 1 for my teeth right here, like this. From cervical zone to incisional zone, like this. From cervical to incisional, okay? Now, we are going to use light lavender for exclusive incisional zone right here. So, we are going to use this light lavender. Look at this. It's like purple. You can see the color here. And we are going to use exclusive in the incisional zone right now. Right here. Okay? Look. Only incisional zone. And now we are going to use this chocolate stain. Okay? We have the chocolate here. This is a super dark stain, so we are going to put right here between the teeth. Okay, just here between. Okay, now we are going to use some effects with the 0 burst, and we start with the tan, shell, and blue haze. So let's start with this. We're going to put this like this. Look, this effect only in the incisional zone. So you can see all the colors and effect that we have with the Aurora kit. And now I will show you the result of this case. You can see the picture right here. One more thing, if you want to know how to use this stain and glaze kit from Aurora, you can contact me in my social media right here.